Claude Code versions 2.1.61 through 63. 3 releases in 3 days, 6 new features, 19 bug fixes, and 3 improvements. Here's what changed. New /commands. Simplify and batch are now bundled. Run them straight from the menu. The copy command gets an always copy full response option. Skip the code block picker entirely. The model command now shows which model is currently active. And clear properly resets cached skills in new conversations. HTTP hooks. Instead of running a shell command, hooks can now post JSON to a URL and receive a JSON response for MCP servers. A new environment variable lets you opt out of Claude.ai MCP servers entirely. And if OAuth redirects fail, you can now paste the callback URL manually. Worktrees and config. Project configs and auto memory now sync across Git worktrees of the same repository. No more duplicating setup. On Windows, concurrent writes no longer corrupt the config file. And a prompt suggestion cache regression that reduced hit rates is now fixed. The headline of this release: 14 memory and listener leak fixes. Listener leaks in the bridge polling loop. MCP OAuth flow, permission handler, and WebSocket transport, all patched. Cache leaks in Git root detection, JSON parsing, bash command prefix, and MCP server fetch, all cleared. Long-running teammates no longer retain all messages after context compaction. This is a massive stability upgrade. IDE and session improvements. VS Code gets session rename and remove actions in the sessions list. Remote sessions now properly appear in conversation history. A race condition in the REPL bridge, where new messages could interleave with historical messages during the initial flush, is fixed. Update now. Run Claude update to get version 2.1.63. 65,000 developers on GitHub. Subscribe for release updates.